Are we ready with the homework, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, somebody wants to say something. Today I am having a big problem with electricity. Again, it is gone. So let me see.
Ma'am,
That's coming for everyone.
What?
Not for you, Chaitanya.
What?
Ma'am, there was some sound coming now. It's stopped.
That is my inverter sound actually. I know the last time also you people were telling me. I discovered it's the inverter sound because we are not on generator. Generator is yet to start. Light started now. Let's see. You can still hear that sound?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, it's fine.
Sure. What was your homework? Question
Ma'am,
number
Question
I
number
couldn't
2.
do the
Question number.
homework because I was absent yesterday.
Sunidhi, how do we do it?
Ma'am, I was not well. I'll do it by today and I'll.
Chal, done. Done with it.
Ma'am, questions.
You have done said and I believe you. Yes. Tell me.
Questions 2, 3, 5, 8.
What was that? Homework?
Yeah.
What about question number 1? Was that a homework or not?
no, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Chalo. Give me the answer for question number 2. Come on. What is the answer?
70
70.
degrees.
70
Option B.
B 70. What about next question? 2?
A 50 degrees.
A50.
A, ma'am, 50 degrees.
A 50 degrees. Perfect. Next. Which question?
Ma'am, the fifth
Fifth question.
Fifth question. Prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent of a circle passes through the center. Now this is a proving sum. Fine. It's a proving sum. Now what and how did you do it? Prerna, can you speak out?
Ma'am, I actually did not understand the sum. I was going to ask.
That's okay. That's okay. Not an issue. Gauri, could you do the sum?
No, ma'am.
Could you do any of the homeworks, Gauri? Did you do?
Ma'am, I could do the second and the third one. I'm not able to get the proving questions.
Okay. Proving questions, I'll take it up.
Ma'am,
Tell me.
ma'am, this is Kanika. Ma'am,
Yes,
actually,
Kanika.
even I didn't understand the fifth one, but I proved the first theorem.
I'll do it. Yes.
Okay.
Actually, it will be the same. I'll speak out. Okay. Fifth was proving. After that, what was your homework?
Eighth one.
Eighth one.
Eighth one. Could anybody do the eighth one?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Just put a little bit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Gautam could do the eighth one, Gautam?
Ma'am. Yeah, I could do.
Okay, fine. Chalo, let's fast take up the fifth one. Fifth one being a proving sum. I'll just do it here only, this blank space here. And I would want the others to say whether I'm doing right or wrong. Okay. So I start with the question number what? 5 here. Fine. Now the question says, prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent of a circle passes through the center. Now, first of all, don't drop, don't do anything, just listen to me. So here is my O, which is the center. Here is my point of contact A, and a tangent is actually passing through it. Fine. This is how the question is. It says that the perpendicular at the point of contact. So there is one line which is actually perpendicular to xy. Xy is my tangent, and I will say that B, this is B, and I will not say this is A. I'll put this as A. And I will say that it is given that BA is any line which is perpendicular to xy, right? At the point A, right? They are asking me, does this line, if we produce it, will it pass through the center? It's actually a simple logical answer. That is yes, because we know that radius is always perpendicular to tangent at the point of contact. Okay, so this cannot be anything else. This perpendicular line has to be the radius, and thus if you produce, since it's the radius, you produce, it will join at point O, over and out. That's it. It is actually statement to be written, nothing more than that.
Actually, I extended the line and I proved that they're collinear.
Okay, collinearity, how did you prove, Gautam?
By extending it, I'm sure that 90 plus 90 is equal to 180, so it forms a straight line, so all are collinear.
Which one is 90 plus 90? Can you name the angles here?
I extended OA.
Down, yeah.
Yeah.
Then
after that, there itself, by drawing that perpendicular, so 90 plus 90 is equal to 180, they form a straight line.
but they have already given, na Gautam? Any perpendicular line, even if you produce, it will be perpendicular only.
Yeah, so that's what. So they all will be collinear and
But
passes
that,
through.
no, Gautam, but what you are saying, that doesn't mean that ABO has to be collinear if it is perpendicular. So what you need to write at the moment is, it is only the radius. This is where the explanation goes. It is only the radius which is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. Fine. Therefore, if you produce AB, it will surely pass through O. Anything else, Jaypreet?
I was just telling that same thing I used in 10.1 theorem in the fourth question.
Yeah, that's what somebody else also said. No, you only said. Somebody else also said it's the same. The theorem only actually has been asked. That's it. Fine. Shall I proceed? Now, which one? Which other question you had a problem in?
The eighth one.
Eighth one. Eighth one. Many of you have done. I think so. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll do it here only. I need some space. Wait. Well, I'll do eighth one here. There's some space up here. Others be with me. Help me out. A quadrilateral ABCD, okay, is drawn to circumscribe. Please understand the meaning of the word circumscribe and inscribe. The differences. Circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Chalo, let me draw. Otherwise, without drawing, it's okay. Good. Okay. Good. Okay. Good. Okay, good. Fine with that. Fine. Chalo. So I write this as A, then where? B, then C, and then D. Okay. Then PQRS. So this is my P, this is my Q, this is my R. Now this type of questions are very, very common. So you have to understand the logic. Here only one thing we are continuously will be using. What is it? Aniket?
Tangents from one point.
Perfect. Perfect.
From 1 point.
What? Tangents from one point or what?
Are equal.
Are equal.
Perfect. So basically they are asking us to prove, suddenly my cursor goes away. They're asking us to prove what? AB plus CD equal to AD plus BC. Done. Now, what I'll do is, now look up. Can I say that AP is equal to SA? Can I say?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Because they are tangents from an external point, S. Done? Fine. So I will write AP is equal to A. Same way. Can I write PB is equal to BQ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Same. What is the reasoning? Tangent. Please write it once properly. Tangent
CR is equal to CQ.
from same external point
Are equal.
to a circle R equal.
R equal.
Once you will have to write. Then you can
Ma'am,
put
we can put the
ditto signs.
curly bracket and just put it for all.
Ditto sign you can put.
Yeah.
Okay. Now moving up ahead here. Where is my cursor?
CR is equal to CQ.
So can I say this CR is equal to CQ? Same thing. So what? CR is equal to CQ. Same way, what? This.
DR is equal to
DS
CR
equals to TR.
is equal to DS. And also, what else is pending? Bus, over.
That's it, ma'am.
We have taken up 4 pairs. Now what we will do is add them up.
Add all of them.
Fine. So you will get AP plus PB plus CR plus DR is equal to what?
AS
AS
plus QB
plus
QD
SD
plus
plus
QC plus DS.
plus
QC.
QC. This whole thing is nothing but AB plus
CD.
CD. This whole thing is equal to BC plus AD. My theorem is proved. Done? Now all those who could do these sums.
Ma'am,
Huh.
I'll do this in another way.
1 minute. Samarth, 1 minute. Children, question number 1 is damn easy. We need not look into it also. I would want everybody to go ahead with question number 4. You start with question number 4. Put today's date. Write exercise 10.0. Tomorrow, keep your construction articles with you, please. A ruler, pencil, what? Protractor, compass. Keep it with you. That's it. Samarth, tell me what you want to say.
Ma'am, I proved all the sides of the quadrilateral equal. Then
This is not possible. All the sides cannot be equal. That's impossible. You're wrong. How did you prove they are all equal? Who said that it's a parallelogram or who said it is a square? It's just a quadrilateral, Samarth. You're wrong.
Which question are we supposed to do next?
Fourth one. Start the fourth one. Samarth, okay? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Please don't have wrong logic in your mind, okay? It is not possible, beta.
I'm done.
Gautam is done. Jaypreet is also done.
Ma'am, we have to do the fourth one.
Fourth one. Go ahead with the fourth one. Any other issues in any of the sums? Vanshika?
No, ma'am.
Vanshika, where is Vanshika? Aniket, doctor, please.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Good.
Ma'am, before you called her name, I unmuted, so I told.
No, not before your ear hears more. Whose frequency is more than human ears?
Supersonic.
Mine.
Oh, Gautam, yours it's same.
Dolphins.
Yeah, dolphins.
Why are you hidden?
Ma'am, rats also.
Yes.
Even bats also.
Bats also.
But mine is far better than theirs also.
Siddharth, Sunidhi, Akash having some problem? Maurya, Nishan, Edwin, Charvi. Bapre, Rishabh, Soham, Vivan, Nandita.
Yes, ma'am. I dropped off 2 times already.
Okay, yes, Siddharth, I did it.
Ma'am, your voice started cracking. I switched off the video.
Ma'am. Samarth.
I'm done.
Probably when I switch on.
Sit properly when I switch on. What are you
Ma'am,
switching?
it's
Only when you're screen sharing.
Chal, look at this. Harsha, done with the fourth one?
I'm alternating or corresponding.
I'm talking to Harsha. Okay, he showed me a thumbs up. Good. Prove that the tangents drawn at the end of a diameter of the circle are parallel. So here we have to prove parallelity actually. Parallelity, you know, we have to take care of angles. So if you look at the diagrams, these are the two tangents which are drawn at the ends of the diameter. So AB is your diameter. Fine. So the only logic that we can have in our mind is that what? The radii and the tangents are perpendicular to one another. So the OA is also the radius, OB is also the radius. So radius and this is perpendicular. Same way, this radii and again the tangent here is perpendicular. And then what can we say?
Ma'am, they are alternate interior angles.
They are alternate. You can write many things. Either they are alternate interior angles or
co-interior angles
co-interior
are
angles,
180 degree.
whatever. So the only thing that should be in your mind is this thing should be 90 and this.
Ma'am, are you sharing screen now?
No, I'm talking to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Aniket, you can't see?
No, ma'am.
What can you see now?
Started screen sharing.
It's some problem. Aniket, some problem with you again. Chalo. Children, did you understand Shrishti? Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So just put any of these reasoning. You get on half of answer marks for the reasoning also, children. Okay. So be careful. Don't just bungle things. And this is how maths actually children lose their marks. They lose out on important reasoning. Amogha and all, be careful. You are in a hurry to complete the sum.
Yes, ma'am.
Same with Jaipreet also. Girls are actually a bit cooler, so they can do it properly. But boys mess it up. Even though you know. Okay? Now, others, all those who have finished this, need to move to question number 6. Come on, do the question number 6. Sudesh, let me know of the timing. Sudesh?
Yes, ma'am.
It is till what time? 11:55, na?
Yes, ma'am. 9 more minutes.
Chal, theek.
Ma'am, you're writing on question number 1, I can see.
Hey, Aniket, drop down and I'll again join. Go ahead with question number 6. The length of a tangent from a point A at a distance of 5 centimeter from the center of the circle is 4 centimeter. Try to understand the English.
Done.
A is at a distance of 5 centimeter from the center of the circle is 4 centimeter. Try to understand the English. People mess up with the measurements. They write here 5 and here 4.
I'm done.
Fine. So the radius is how much? 3 centimeter.
I'm done.
Sunidhi done? Sunidhi, are you doing with me?
Ma'am, I'll be doing question number 3.
Sunidhi, are you doing? Why isn't she answering? No, we are on to the 6th one. Edwin done? 6th
Yeah,
one?
ma'am, it came.
Ma'am,
Sixth
ma'am,
one
but in the
came.
question, it's not given that A lies on the tangent, right?
What are the length
can-
of a tangent from the length of the tangent
From
from
a point.
A. So the tangent is from point A.
No, length of. Okay.
Read
From a
the
point
questions
A,
again and again before drawing.
I
Most of the
thought
time
tangent is somewhere and point A is somewhere up. And
from
then,
A, na? Why are you confusing?
okay.
A tangent from a point A. So if this is my point, if as you say, as you are saying, if this is A, then the tangent is here. The question itself says the tangent is from point A. Let's not confuse the others more. If you're done with the 6th, Suridhi, can you listen to me? Can you hear me? Are you doing along with me? Have you done the 6th one? I don't think so.
Mom, I'm doing it.
How long?
Mom, actually, I'm trying to understand how to do it.
No, but you have to take it down. And even in the classroom, I say the same thing. You have to
Okay,
take
ma'am.
it down. Afterwards, now I'm moving ahead because you've already
Mom,
learned.
I've taken a screenshot.
Okay, chalo. Going ahead to question number 7. I would want you all to do the question number 7. 2 concentric circles. This was one of the questions from the example. 2 concentric circles are of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Surely 5 and 3 means the smaller circle has a radii of 3 centimeter. So can I say OA as in the diagram is 3 centimeter and OQ is 5 centimeter? Can I say that?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches. Yesterday I was telling you touch means tangent. Understand that. Fine. So find the length of the chord of the larger circle. So what is the chord? PQ. What they want us to find the value of. The only game here is understanding English and doing it in maths.
I'm 8.
Yeah, 8. Fine. So you can take any of the triangles. You can take care of triangle OAP. So in triangle OAP, you can say that 5 square is equal to 3 square plus PA square. So what is PA then for you? PA is root over 25 minus how much? 9, that's 16. So PA is equal to 4. Now, directly don't write PA is equal to AQ. You will lose marks. Prove this. How will you prove it? How will you prove that?
A perpendicular bisects the chord.
Yes. Perfect. That's also done. Either you prove that the 2 triangles, either you do this, that triangle this is congruent to triangle this, that is OAQ.
Or you can do both Pythagoras and find it.
अच्छा ठीक है, चलो you do that also. Either you do this or you use Pythagoras for both. Or you do what Amogha said is perfectly fine. That is perpendicular from center. This has to be written, Amogha. Perpendicular from center to chord, because you have done it in 9th, bisects the chord.
Reshma ma'am, sorry to interrupt you.
Ah, dear.
Now Renuka ma'am asked me to find out from the students, both 10A and 10B, that whether they have seen all the videos.
Yes. Done? Have you all seen?
Whatever is uploaded today and all, everything they are asking. Is it all?
Ma'am,
Shall I
they
give
did
yes?
not show anything today.
Ma'am,
They
Shall I
did
give
not
yes?
show everything.
Huh?
No, we don't watch
Yesterday we
anything.
watched everything. No, yesterday it is done, right?
Today we saw in night.
Ma'am, today we saw one video in the morning.
What shall I do, Reshma ma'am?
I don't know, because this was 5th period only. I had a class. I didn't have a class with them.
Yeah, no need to show it them. This is a task given to me now. Even now, I have to join to the next class with 9A.
They had seen all.
Video today, Poseidon vice captain.
Today was anything shown to you?
I'm in the morning.
Poseidon
we
vice
saw
captain.
One guys.
Then I think
Done,
it is
shown
all
it done.
shown.
Shown it
I'll
done.
give done, ma'am. I'll give
Done,
done.
done. Shown it
Sorry. I've joined just based on somebody's instruction. Okay.
No problem, Shoni, done. Okay? Chal. No issues. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Done? So you can do
Yes,
either
ma'am.
of it. Any of these three is perfectly fine. But then write. Don't leave it. It might give you 1 marks or take away 1 marks from you. Okay? Chalo. What is the next question with which you have to do? 9th one. Take up the 9th one fast.
I'm done.
What done?
Ma'am, 9th one.
Who is that done?
Ma'am, Siddharth.
Chalo. Good. Very good. Others move to the 9th one. Siddharth, after the 9th, I think we have to do the 11th one, 11th and the 13th one. Do it. 9, 11, 13 will do. So all those who are done with the 9th one can go to the 11th and then the 13th one, and then the chapter is over. But as it is, tomorrow we'll finish it off. Chalo. Fine. Now tell me the time, Sudesh.
Ma'am, it's 11:54. 53.
Is this some long or short? I don't know. Anyhow, let me see. In figure 10.13, xy and x dash y dash are parallel tangents. Perfect. So they have said these are perfectly parallel tangents. Done. To a circle with center O and another tangent AB. There's another 3 tangents we are playing with, but the point of contact is different. Okay. Now prove that angle AOB is 90 degrees. This has to be proved as 90 degrees. So to prove, I'm writing it separately. To prove, where is gone? Angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. Fine with that. Now what I am thinking of doing is, let me join O to C. Fine. So let me write construction join OC. As soon as OC I'm joining, what happens here, children?
They both are right angles.
Perfect. So what do we get? Therefore, we get OC is perpendicular to AB. Fine. Already, if you see, this is a 90 degrees. Can you see that? This is also 90 degrees. Why? Because these are both radii. And radius and tangent are perpendicular to one another. So we got this angle 90, we got this angle 90, we got this angle 90, and also this angle 90. Find so many 90 degrees we are playing with now. Now what can be done? Can somebody answer me?
I'm draw. So
Ma'am,
even
prove.
near POC also, I think it.
No, I don't need.
Ma'am,
Somebody was saying
we can
prove.
prove.
Can we prove?
Ma'am, prove
triangle
AO and
BOC.
ACO as congruent.
Perfect. So we can write that triangle POA is congruent to triangle PO is congruent to COA. What congruency? Is it
RHS.
RHS.
Sure.
Yes.
Huh? RHS sure?
SSS.
SSS.
Anything.
SS how will be possible? How SSS?
Ma'am, SSS is possible, right? Y is
Who
a
told
point.
you? No, who told you that PY is
Possible
equal
as
to...
OP is equal.
Ah, no. SSS is also possible. Yes. It
OP
can
is
be
equal to OC,
yes.
AP is equal to AC, and AO,
Yes.
common.
You can have SSS also, you can have RHS also. Fine, perfectly fine. So once the triangles are congruent, can I say this angle 1 and angle 2 are equal to one another?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, prove the other part. We can prove that triangle BOQ is congruent to triangle BOC. Same way. Same. RHS or SSS, same. So from here, can I say this is my angle 3 and this is my angle 4? Can I say angle 3 is equal to angle 4? Fine. So this is my point number 1 and this is my point number 2. What is there? We can say that angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to how much? 180 degrees.
180 degrees.
Because it's a straight line angle. Fine. Now that means twice of angle 2 plus twice of angle 4 is equal to 180. Because 1 and 2 are the same, 3 and 4 are the same. Equal angles. So in that sense, can I say twice of angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degrees? Thus, can I say angle 2 plus angle 4 is nothing but 90 degrees?
Yes,
So I could prove that angle AOB is nothing but equal to 90 degrees. Proved. And I stop here. Sir is already there in the class, children. Can we wind it up fast? I can see sir there. Joy sir is there. Good morning, sir. Nice to see you after a long time.
Sir, you muted yourself.
Chalo, children. Okay, I'll stop.